Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all doing great. Today in this video we are going to see the latest job recruitment from WAPCOS. They are hiring for various posts. So all the details regarding these job vacancies, all are going to discuss in this video, like selection process, age limit, all criteria are discussed in this video. So watch the video till the end without skipping, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel also. WAPCOS Limited, they are hiring for various posts like team leader, quantity surveyor, structural engineer, then electrical instrumentation, hydraulic expert, and many more posts like construction engineer, water supply card engineer, material engineer, and all. Then total vacancies 161 vacancies are there. Then the last date for application submission is 2nd February 2023. And the mode of application is through email. So candidates those who are interested can send their application form along with your resume, or you can send to the mail ID. And the selection process through personal interview and skill test. Job location all across India. Next we are going to see the salary details, vacancy details and salary details. For the post of team leader or expert, 2 vacancies are there. Salary per month 50,000 to 65,000. And then for quantity surveyor 17 vacancies. Structural engineer 4 vacancy. Electrical instrumentation 17 vacancy, and hydraulic expert 2 vacancy. Here salary is 35,000 to 50,000 per month. The next post is resident engineer, senior water supply engineer 7 vacancy. Salary range 45,000 to 55,000. The next post are senior construction engineer 10 vacancy, material engineer 7 vacancy, water supply card engineer 15 vacancy. Here salary is 35,000 to 40,000. The next post is construction engineer 30 vacancy, survey engineer 15 vacancy, site engineer 20 vacancy, and accounts assistant 5 vacancy. For these posts salary range is 25,000 to 27,000. Next post is office assistant 5 vacancy, salary range 23,000 to 25,000, and for data entry operator 5 vacancy, salary details 80,000 to 20,000. Then next is experience required and qualification required for these various posts. Candidates those who possess graduate in civil engineering, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, bachelor's degree or diploma in civil engineering are eligible for applying for this above post, and minimum experience required for the post above post are 2 and the maximum is 15. Then age limit for applying for this post, for the post of team leader or expert or structural engineer or resident engineer come senior water supply engineer, age limit is upper age limit is 65 years. Then maximum age for quantity surveyor, electrical instrumentation or hydraulic expert or senior construction engineer or expert or material manager or water supply card engineer, upper age limit is 45 years. And then maximum age for quantity surveyor or quantity surveyor grade 2 is 60 years. Then age limit for construction engineer or survey engineer or electrical instrumentation engineer grade 2, upper age limit is 40 years. Then for site engineer, accounts assistant, office assistant, expert, data entry operator, maximum age limit is 35 years as of 1st December 2022. The next is selection process. It be based on interview. Here the detailed notification we can see here. First of all, team leader. For this post, minimum qualification required is graduate in civil engineering or postgraduate degree in PH or environmental engineering or water resource engineering, and the minimum experience required is 15 years, out of which 10 years in handling water supply or sewerage project, and at least 3 years of experience in team leader or resident engineer or project manager. Then salary details and age limit we already seen. Then next is quantity surveyor. Here qualification is graduate in civil engineering or postgraduate in civil engineering will be preferred. Experience required is 7 years. Then next is for structural engineer. Here qualification is graduate in civil engineering or postgraduate degree in engineering will be preferred. At least 10 years of professional experience. The next post is electrical cum instrumentation expert. Qualification is graduate in electrical engineering or electrical and electronics engineering. Postgraduate degree in electrical or electrical and electronics will be preferred. Total experience required is 5 years. Next post is hydraulic expert. Qualification required is graduate in civil engineering and postgraduate degree in engineering will be preferred. Experience required is 8 years. And the next post is resident engineer cum senior water supply engineer. Qualification required is graduate in civil engineering or postgraduate degree in construction or structural or environmental engineering will be preferred. Experience required is 10 years. Then the next post is senior construction engineer. Graduate in civil engineering from a recognized university or postgraduate degree in construction management or civil engineering will be preferred. Experience required is 7 years. And the next post is material engineer. Qualification required is graduate in civil engineering and postgraduate degree in geotechnical engineering or equivalent will be preferred. Experience required is 8 years. Then the next post is water supply cum CAD engineer. Graduation in civil engineering is required and at least 5 years of experience is required. Then the next post is quantity surveyor grade 2. Graduate or diploma in civil engineering is required and 12 years, minimum 12 years of experience for graduates and 15 years of experience for diploma. Then the next post is construction engineer. Then qualification required is diploma or graduate in civil engineering and experience required is minimum 3 years for graduates and 10 years for diploma candidates. Then next post is survey engineer. Qualification required is graduate or diploma in civil engineering. Then experience required is for graduates 3 years of experience and for diploma candidates 6 years. Then next post is electrical cum instrumentation engineer grade 2. Qualification required is graduate or diploma in electrical or electronics engineering. At least 3 years of experience required for graduates and 10 years for diploma candidates. The next post is site engineer electrical. Qualification required is diploma or graduate in electrical engineering. Minimum experience required is 5. The next post is site engineer civil. Diploma or graduate in civil engineering is required and 5 years of minimum experience for graduates and 8 years for diploma holders. Then next one is accounts assistant. Qualification is graduate in commerce. Then next is office assistant. Any graduates can apply at least 3 years of working experience as office assistant. Then data entry operator. Any graduates with at least 2 years of experience and must know and familiar with MS Office. And these posts discussed above are purely temporary on fixed term appointment based for the duration of the project. Application format is given in the official website and the format link will be provided in the description box. And you have to fill up the application. You have to download and fill up the application form. Along with that, you have to submit the required documents showing your qualifications, experience and age to the given mail ID, and you have to mention the post for which you are applied. That's also mentioned. And the last date is 2nd February 2023. Here you can see the application form format. First of all, you have fill this for which post you are applied. Then if passport size photograph is required, then you have to fill up the application form. First of all, your name, your personal details. Then after that, you have to fill up the qualifications required. Then next is experience. If any, you have to fill up the experience required. Organization name, from which period to, then designation and salary details, and many other details also. So you have to fill up this application form and send by email before 2nd February 2023. So this is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Keep on watching.